So in this tutorial of Solidworks, we are going to see that how can you make multiple pulley systems. So let's start. First of all, we need to make the frame on which we are going to add the pulley and the belt. So let's start by clicking the part as like making the part file for this. So we are going to make a frame. So then go to sketch and let's select the front plane, change the units to inch pound second IPS. Now go to sketch, select the front plane and make the frame. Go to smart dimension, give the dimension. So let's say this is 10 units and this is 5 units. So dimension has been given. Go to features, extrude this, give the 1 unit or let's say 0.5. okay, so now click on this front face, right click this. If I right click, I will get all these options. Go to normal view and then again right click this and go to edit feature. Now sorry go to sketch, so right click this and go to sketch. So I will show you again. So select this face, right click this and click on sketch. So now select this circle and let's make one circle over here, one over here, then one like this. And now give the dimension. So let's say this has the diameter of 0.5, this has diameter of 0.5, this has diameter of 1, this has diameter of 1. That's the diameter. Now give the distances from the origin. So let's say this is 0.5 and from this to this it's 0.5. Same for this, from center to center distance is 0.5 units, from this to the bottom edge 0.5. and now for the bigger circle, so select the center of that circle and the origin and give the distance of 3 units from the center and select the center of the circle and this, click on the smart dimension, this and this, give 2.5. same for this circle, let's do this, make it let's make it 4 and from this to this 2.5. so now we have defined the dimensions for all this. I think let's make it 3 like for the symmetry thing. Okay, so now this has been defined. Now go to extrude base, so it's able to extrude all these circles and the unit, like we are extruding these 3 units. Yeah, or let's make it 4. Okay, so now you can see that we have this frame on which we are going to put the pulley. Okay, so now save this and let's save this multi frame and now go to file, go to new assembly and you select this and just click this tick right button. Okay, so now we have this frame. Okay, and now we need to add the pulley and the belt. So go to this design library, go to toolbox, click on edit now because it's not added. Okay, so now first of all change the unit to inch pound second IPS, then here go to IPS inch, then go to power transmission, go to timing belt pulleys, select this, hold this and drag it over here. So that's the one. So it's extra large. Okay, change the properties from here. So extra large, belt width, flange, number of grooves 20, hub diameter is 1, so this has diameter 1, overall length 2. Okay, nominal shaft diameter is 1. Okay, click on this. So again I got this error. For this, what you have to do, right click on this, go to the little toolbox component, and here change the diameter to 3. So you can see that it is not visible. Change the overall length to 5. Right click this, go to edit toolbox component. Okay, number of groups, let's make it 44. Yeah, so now that's the thing. So let's make it 36. Okay, that's fine. And now let's change this to 3 and hub diameter 3 or 1. Yeah, 1.5. Okay, yeah, so now we got this thing 1.5 like this. So now we will not get any error. And so if I rotate this, I can see that I can drag this. Okay, and I want to mate this with this. Also I want a copy of this pulley. So select the pulley, hold the control key on your keyboard and click your you have to click the left mouse button and drag this to make a copy. Okay, so now let's mate this. So click on the mate option here, delete this, select this inner surface and the outer surface of this shaft, make it concentric. Then you have to select this top face and the face of this shaft and make it coincident like this. Same you will do for this. So select the inner cylindrical area and then this, make it concentric. The top surface of the shaft, make it coincident. So now this has been done pretty well. Okay, now for these two shaft having smaller diameter, we also need two more pulleys. So let's drag this again and make it XL. Large is going to be very large, make it MXL. Number of grooves, make it 22. Here you have to change the weight is 25. Nominal shaft diameter is going to be half, 1/2. It's like this, and then we have to change hub diameter 0.2. So as you can see, and then overall length, make it 1. Hub diameter, let's change to 1. No, 1 is not visible. 0.5. Pulley diameter reference 0.54. Okay, so now that will work. 0.5 for this. Let's see. Because I got this error again. So again I have to click on this, go to edit toolbox component and let's make it 36 over here. Of diameter and 1 will not work. 0.5, no. 0.7, okay, yeah, so 0.7 will work. Okay, and then click on this. Okay, so now drag this, and we want to make the mate for this, so let's make it over here so that you can see. And now then go to mate option, select this surface, the inner one, make it concentric, and this face and this face make it coincident. So you can see that has been done pretty well. And now I want a copy of this, so I will first select this pulley, hold the control key from keyboard and drag this. Okay, it's done. Okay, that's okay. I also want mid for this, so click this, and it's coincident. So now if I rotate this, I can rotate all this individually. But now I want a belt, because the belt will rotate all of these pulleys simultaneously. So how to insert the belt? So for that, go to insert, then go to assembly feature, belt chain, and now we have to select the top faces of each of these pulleys. So 1, 2, you can see that it has been over here, but I also want this. So now you can see it is coming from this thing. We also have this pulley. So now you can see we have made the whole belt as like this. Create belt part, use belt thickness, and let's say the thickness is 0.2. You can see that this is the thickness, so let's make it 0.1, and then click on this, save and continue. Multi pulley belt. Okay, so now we have saved this. So if you can see, if we rotate one of belt, all the pulley will rotate. Like if you rotate one of the pulley, all the pulley will rotate. So that's the function of belt. Okay, so now go over here in this tree, like in this feature manager design tree, then I click on this arrow in the belt, then again here go to sketch, like click on this, go to, if you click on this you will get this option, then go to edit sketch. And now if you go to edit sketch, go to extrude boss and base. So you can see we are getting this thing, like it's extruding all over here. We don't want this thing. Go to thin feature. So now you can see we are extruding the belt only, and give the thickness as 0.05. So you have to give the thickness as per your waist. Make it 0.0005. Okay, so I think now this looks pretty good. Or 0.001. Okay, and then click on this. So now we got this belt. Click on this, and now you have this belt on the pulleys, the multiple pulleys. So now if I rotate, you can see that all of the pulleys are rotating in the same direction. So in this way you can create the multiple pulley system in Solidworks. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, the like button, and subscribe my channel Wiseman.